Alright guys, you have reached Regina TV and I am back with another one. Today I will be showing you a beautiful quick hairstyle that you can wear in more than one way. Alright, now along the way I will be giving you tips on how to achieve this hairstyle, so watch the video to the end. So guys, let's get it, let's go. So the first thing you are going to do is part off your hair. Then we are going to take some OK Men castor oil pomade and we are going to put it on each side of the part, guys. All right, now we are going to take some braiding hair. I like little looks because it's the right length for me. So this is what it looks like. Now what we are going to do is take the hair and we are going to cut it. After you cut it, you're going to burn it. But if your hair can't burn, I'm going to show you what you can do later on in the video. Alright, so if you are new to twisting, don't worry, because along the way I will be showing you little ways that you can get this twist in your hair. Alright, so you're going to take a comb, and as you twist your hair, you're just going to fix the imperfections. Now, I usually take my twist further back than I need to take it, because once you get towards the back, you can get a little bit sloppy with the twist, and that will be fine because no one will see that. Well, if you are new to my channel, I want to say welcome, welcome, welcome. While you are here, do not forget to hit that thumbs up button and that subscribe button so you will not miss the next video. So here we are just going to rubber band this, and guys, do not make this rubber band tight. You don't have to. Everything that I am using, I will be putting it in the description box below, so don't worry about that. Alright, so we are just going to straighten out that hair. You see how simple that was? Now, just fix up any imperfections that you may see. Now, I'm going to tell you, I really do like this pomade castor oil. I really do like it. It holds the twist in place perfectly. We will be doing other styles with this pomade, y'all. So now I am just going to go and do the rest of my hair. So I decided to part off the front of my hair. You will see what I am going to do with that a little later in the video, because that is our hairline and we are not about to snatch out our hairline or put any tension on our hairline. Now here you see me cut off the hair because I know where my hair stops. But if you were going to put a drawstring ponytail on your hair, then you can leave all of that hair on without cutting it off, and that will help you stabilize whatever hair piece that you're going to wear on the back of your style. Now, for whatever reason you can't burn your hair, then take the pomade and put it on the tip of the hair and twist it. And that will give you a great beginning for the front of your twist. Now, as you see, I am showing you my hairline and I am not putting a lot of tension on my hairline. And by me staggering these twists, that means less tension is on my hairline. One twist is up, one twist is back. One twist is up, one twist is back. But if you are too heavy-handed with your hairline, then leave the hairline out and then come back and add it in the twist later. That's one of the things that I love about that pomade, because it will allow you to put the twist, your hair in the twist, even after it's done. So as you see, I cut the hair off because I know where my hair ends, and we are going to rubber band this off as well. Now, none of these rubber bands are tight, guys, so please do not put these rubber bands in your hair tight. Alright, I am showing you here where my hair stops. I can see it clearly. So I'm going to cut the rest of that hair off because I don't need it, and it makes it easier for me to put the rubber band on.
Then get up, get dressed, before work's off my list. What's left to do, just guess. It's you, my favorite, but I wanna taste you and feel you shake, raising an earthquake. Can't push the brakes when a rush hits. We're going in, we're going in. You keep me biting my cheek, year after year. Only gets better, I'm weak in the knees. We hit the sheets, you on my lips, I'm feeling the heat. That's all I need. When a day's gone, we've only begun. That's the best part, when we get it on. I'm addicted, no denying it, 'cause you don't cross my mind, you live in it. I wanna taste you and feel you shake, raising an earthquake.
Now, one of the things that'll make it easier for you all is putting more hair in your twists. Here I am putting pomade at the end of the hair, and now I am going to start that hair not right where my hair starts, but a little bit before that. Because as you're taking your time with your hairline like this, then it'll make it easier for you to be lighter along your hairline. And that hair will slide back as you twist, and there will be no tension on your hairline. Now, February is Black History Month, and I'm telling you all, I think this is going to be one of my hairstyles that I will be wearing for the month of February, celebrating Black History Month.
Then get up, get dressed, before work's off my list. What's left to do, just guess. It's you, my favorite, but I wanna taste you and feel you shake, raising an earthquake. Can't push the brakes when a rush hits. We're going in, we're going in. You keep me biting my cheek, year after year. Only gets better, I'm weak in the knees. We hit the sheets, you on my lips, I'm feeling the heat. That's all I need.
Right, we are done with this side, and now we are just going to repeat the process on the other side. Now, if you are enjoying this video, do not forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share, and hit that notification bell so you will not miss the next video. Okay, now remember what I told you about your hairline? Look how far I started the hair above my twist. As I twist, I can control the tension that I am putting on my baby hair and my hairline just by starting that hair way up there. And if it still feels tight, let go of that hair and pull it out. We are not losing our hairline, ladies. We are not doing that. All right, so now that we have our hair set, let me do one thing. This is for you, Miss Cheryl Bailey. This is Hawaiian silk. She know I love this stuff. She do. So I'm just gonna make sure that my hair stay moisturized. That was my reason for setting it like that, y'all. All right, guys, so now let's style. Here I have my EFFY ponytail. Y'all know this is one of my favorite ponytails. And what we are going to do is just stick it through one of the remaining twists, okay? And what we are going to do is just hook it around all the braids in the back, okay? See how it fit around all the braids? What we're going to do is tuck that string . Look at that. Look how pretty that is, y'all. Look at how pretty that is. This is really pretty and really simple. Now, I love this hairstyle because not only will I be able to leave my hair alone and leave my hair up for like 2 weeks or more if I wanted to, but I can part my hair, guys, and oil my scalp and let my scalp breathe. Also, you see these hair pieces that I am switching out? Do you see that? And we ain't gonna even talk about hair jewelry. All right, look at that, y'all. All right, guys, well, that is it. If you have enjoyed this video, do not forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. That let YouTube know that you love this content, and it let me know to keep bringing it to you. Anything that I did not address about this hairstyle, guys, just leave it in the comment section down below. You already know that I am going to answer you back. Also, I will leave everything that I use in the description box below as well, so you can go get those things as well. Guys, do me a solid. I have another channel, and it is called Regina's Way. Over there, we do hats, home decor, sales that I find, walk the weight off. Everything else that I love to do, y'all, is over there at Regina's Way. So go over there and comment, like, subscribe, and share. Let me know that you came from over here, Regina TV, over there to Regina's Way. Show your girl some love. Well, guys, I am feeling cute. Y'all know I am feeling cute. And when I feel cute, what do that mean? Lipstick, baby. Let me get my lipstick because I am feeling cute.